Most people get frustrated with blurry images on Reddit, assuming it's just the app, but the surprising truth is that there are simple fixes you can do in seconds. Today, I'll show you exactly how to fix blurry images on Reddit. First, understand why images appear blurry. Reddit compresses images to save bandwidth, especially on mobile networks. If your app is set to low-quality image mode, images will look fuzzy. Most people get this wrong by blaming their device often. It's just the app settings. Step 1. Open Reddit and go to Settings. Scroll down to the Data Saver or Image Preferences section. Make sure Load High-Quality Images or High-Resolution Media is turned on. This ensures images load at their best quality whenever possible. Step 2. Check your network. Wi-Fi is usually faster and less restrictive than mobile data. If your connection is slow, Reddit may still load lower quality images, so switching networks can solve the issue instantly. Step 3. Clear the app cache. On Android, go to Settings Apps Reddit Storage Clear Cache. On iOS, you can reinstall the app to refresh stored data. Most people skip the step, not realizing a corrupted cache can make images appear blurry even on strong networks. Finally, remember that some posts link to external images hosted on third-party sites. If the original image is low resolution, Reddit can't improve it. Always check the source if an image still looks blurry after these steps. In conclusion, blurry Reddit images are usually fixable. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's permanent. Adjusting settings, network, and cache usually restores clear images. Subscribe for more practical tech fixes to help you use apps smarter and smoother every day.